Hello, this is Group KR, and this is a project for CSE 598 Engineering Blockchain Applications. The project's name is Secure Ballot. This is a decentralized voting system, which is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Uh, the voting system needs to be highly secure and immutable uh, to basically uphold the values of the democracy. And here, the application of blockchain plays an important role so that the votes that are registered by the user are immutable and transparent. So the Ethereum application in this is basically built upon the fundamental idea of smart contracts. The contracts would be self-executing, and they basically keep the voting process secure and transparent. By embedding the rules and conditions of the election directly into the blockchain, these smart contracts make sure the integrity of each vote is dealt with tamper-proof precision. So the main components or the building blocks of this application are the UI parts, which are the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Those are basically used for creating the user interface. The sol file or the solidity file is basically describing the smart contract that our voting application is based on using Solidity framework. We have used Ganache CLI for simulating the Ethereum network locally in our computer. And we have also used Truffle, which is a CLI for deploying the smart contract on the Ethereum network, which is our local network. So the functionality of this application is as follows. The user first logs into the portal using their social security number. On inputting the OTP successfully, the user is logged into the application, and they are shown a list of candidates whom they can vote for. When the user clicks on any particular candidate, a vote is registered for that candidate, and this vote is basically immutable because this vote is registered on the Ethereum blockchain, like we will show in the demo. So for the demonstration, let me first go and show how the application works. So here we can see that this is our Ganache CLI working here. We have some available accounts and private keys, and we can see that this is listening on the local host 8545 port. And here the project structure is as follows. The contracts folder has one file, the voting SOL, which is the Solidity framework file, and this has all the application logic for registering the vote and getting the total votes. And in the UI folder, we have a few files for the user interface of our program, and our main logic is written in JavaScript files, and these JavaScript files basically handle the application building and functionality. So this is our application that is hosted on localhost currently. So if I add the SSN here, and if I click on the OTP, the user basically gets an OTP here. Once the user adds the OTP and logs into the system, they are shown with the parties and the candidates, and they have the option to vote for any particular candidate. So once I click on any particular candidate, we can see that the vote was submitted to this particular candidate. And if I go over to my Ganache CLI, we can see that here a transaction has been recorded. This is the block number, this is the gas usage, and this is the time when this transaction was recorded. So this is how the application works. Um, so yeah, this is the overall application. This basically makes sure that that all the votes registered to the system are immutable and transparent, and they are all recorded on the blockchain.